Did you know that orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling animals in the world? These gentle giants live high above the forest floor, spending most of their lives in the treetops. They're truly unique, and there's so much more to discover about them. Stay tuned to uncover more amazing facts about these fascinating creatures. Scene script. Orangutans, a name which translates to man of the forest in Malay, are indeed the forest's remarkable inhabitants. Let's delve a little deeper into who these captivating creatures are. Orangutans are a type of great ape, a group that also includes our closest living relatives, the gorillas, bonobos, and chimpanzees. But among these relatives, orangutans stand out. They hail from the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, two islands in Southeast Asia, making them the only great apes native to this part of the world. So, what makes an orangutan an orangutan? Well, one of the first things you might notice is their long, powerful arms. These arms can stretch out wider than their bodies are tall, a handy feature when you spend your life swinging through the treetops. And let's not forget their distinctive reddish-brown hair, a vibrant hue that sets them apart from other great apes. But there's more to these creatures than their striking looks. Their bodies are perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. They have strong, hook-shaped hands for grasping branches and fruit, and their flexible hips allow them to twist and turn with ease among the trees. Even their feet are like a second pair of hands, with opposable big toes for extra gripping power. Orangutans are also quite large, with males often weighing as much as 200 pounds. But despite their size, they're surprisingly gentle. They move slowly and deliberately, exuding a sense of calm and thoughtfulness that's quite captivating to observe. Yet, it's not just their physical characteristics that make orangutans so fascinating. There's something about their eyes, their expressions, that feels eerily familiar. It's as if you're looking into a mirror that reflects back an ancient version of ourselves. After all, we share nearly 97% of our DNA with these remarkable creatures. These creatures are not just unique in appearance, but also in behavior. Let's find out more. Unlike other primates, orangutans prefer to live a solitary lifestyle. This is a fascinating aspect of these red-furred tree-dwelling primates. While some animals are known for their social structures, orangutans are quite the opposite. They are not pack animals, they're not herd animals. Orangutans are solitary creatures, spending the majority of their lives alone. Orangutans, named after the Malay words orangutan, meaning person of the forest, are truly the hermits of the animal kingdom. They spend nearly all their time in the trees, swinging from branch to branch in search of food. Their long, powerful arms and hooked hands and feet make them perfectly adapted to this arboreal lifestyle. Their solitary nature isn't due to a lack of social skills. In fact, orangutans are quite intelligent and have been observed using tools and exhibiting complex problem-solving abilities. So why do they choose to live alone? The answer lies in their environment and their diet. Orangutans primarily feed on fruit, especially durians and figs, which are scattered throughout the forest and not available in large quantities in one place. To ensure they have enough to eat, orangutans must cover large territories, searching high and low for these tasty treats. Thus, a solitary lifestyle allows them to avoid competition for food resources. Furthermore, orangutans are semi-solitary, meaning they do interact with others of their kind occasionally, especially during mating season or when a mother is raising her young. A mother orangutan is a dedicated parent, staying with her offspring for 7 to 8 years, teaching them everything they need to know about survival in the forest. Interestingly, male orangutans are more solitary than females. They tend to avoid each other and can be quite territorial. When two males meet, they often display aggressive behavior, another reason why a solitary lifestyle is beneficial for these creatures. Orangutans may be solitary, but their relationship with their habitat is one of interdependence. Their survival depends on the health of the forest, and in return, they play a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of their habitat. This deep connection between orangutans and their environment is a testament to the intricate balance of nature. Orangutans are a vital part of their ecosystem. These enigmatic primates and the rainforests they inhabit share an intricate bond, a symphony of life that has been playing out for millions of years. Orangutans are known as the gardeners of the forest. They consume a varied diet of over 300 different types of fruits, leaves, bark, and insects. But it's their love for fruit, particularly figs, that makes them pivotal for the rainforest ecosystem. As they roam, they scatter seeds across the forest floor through their droppings, fostering the growth of new flora. This natural seed dispersal encourages a rich biodiversity, turning the rainforest into a lush green paradise. But it's not just about the seeds. Orangutans also play a role in maintaining the health of the forest. Their feeding habits control the population of certain plant species, preventing any single type from dominating the landscape. This balance allows for a wide variety of life to thrive, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. And in the high canopies of the rainforest, orangutans build their nests. Each night, they craft a new nest, bending and breaking branches to form a platform. These discarded branches fall to the forest floor, decomposing and returning nutrients to the soil, fostering a cycle of growth and decay that is fundamental to the forest ecosystem. But orangutans don't just rely on the forest, they are also shaped by it. Their long arms, strong grip, and flexible hips have evolved over time to suit their arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to swing from branch to branch with ease. Even their diet has been influenced by the seasonal availability of fruits in the forest, teaching them to be patient and resourceful. In essence, orangutans and their habitat are interconnected in a complex web of life, each influencing and being influenced by the other. Their existence is a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world, and their role in maintaining the health and vibrancy of the rainforest is irreplaceable. But this harmonious relationship is threatened. As we move forward, the question remains, how can we preserve this delicate balance? Despite their strength and resilience, orangutans face numerous threats. The most pressing of these is habitat loss. The lush rainforests they call home are being cut down at an alarming rate to make way for palm oil plantations. This crop is used in everything from food to cosmetics, making it a lucrative commodity. But at what cost? The cost is the homes of orangutans, leaving them with nowhere to go. Then there's the threat of hunting. Orangutans are hunted for various reasons. Some are hunted for their meat, others are killed to prevent them from damaging crops, while others still are captured for the illegal pet trade. Young orangutans are particularly vulnerable. They're often taken from their mothers who are killed in the process. It's a heartbreaking reality that these gentle creatures endure. And let's not forget about climate change. As temperatures rise, the lush rainforests that orangutans rely on become drier and more susceptible to wildfires. These fires not only destroy their habitat, but also pose a direct threat to their lives. The smoke from these fires can also lead to respiratory problems, further endangering these primates. These threats have had a devastating impact on orangutan populations. Over the last 60 years, the number of orangutans has decreased by more than half. Today, all 3 species of orangutans are critically endangered. If nothing changes, we could lose these incredible creatures forever. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are countless dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to protect orangutans and their habitats. They're fighting against deforestation, advocating for sustainable palm oil production, and rescuing and rehabilitating orangutans that have been orphaned or injured. The survival of orangutans hangs in the balance. But there's hope. With continued efforts and increased awareness, we can ensure that these intelligent, gentle creatures continue to swing through the trees of their rainforest homes for generations to come. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard these gentle giants. In the heart of the rainforests, dedicated teams of conservationists are hard at work, striving to protect orangutans and their habitats. These efforts take various forms, from habitat restoration projects to anti-poaching patrols, from rescue and rehabilitation centers to community education programs. Habitat restoration involves replanting trees in areas decimated by deforestation, creating safe corridors for orangutans to move freely. Anti-poaching patrols, on the other hand, are the frontline defense against illegal wildlife trafficking, working tirelessly to keep these arboreal primates safe from harm. Rescue and rehabilitation centers play a pivotal role in the conservation narrative. Here, orangutans, orphaned or displaced by deforestation or poaching, are given a second chance. They're nurtured back to health, taught the necessary survival skills, and when ready, reintroduced back into the wild. Community education programs aim to foster a sense of stewardship among local communities towards the rainforest and its inhabitants. By creating awareness about the ecological role of orangutans and the impact of deforestation, these programs strive to inspire change at a grassroots level. Now you might wonder, what can I do? Well, every action, no matter how small, makes a difference. Supporting organizations involved in orangutan conservation, adopting sustainable practices, or simply spreading the word about orangutans and their plight are all effective ways to contribute. Remember, the fight for orangutan survival is not just about one species. It's about preserving the health and diversity of our planet. It's about ensuring that future generations can marvel at the sight of these men of the forest, swinging from tree to tree in the heart of the rainforest. Remember, every effort counts in safeguarding these men of the forest. So, what did we learn about orangutans today? We discovered their unique characteristics, solitary lifestyle, and the precious habitat they call home. We also touched on the threats they face and the crucial conservation efforts in place. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery about these fascinating creatures. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature